Hey everybody, how are you? Just wanted to pop on and say I lost my mojo. I don't know where it went. It disappeared. So, if you find it, send it back, because I want it and I miss it. I'm actually have to work today. I have to work on t-shirts. One of the kids got engaged. One of the kids got engaged, so there's an engagement party Saturday, and they asked me to make some kind of he asked, she said yes t-shirts. But the weather here has been so cold, so cold. We have not reached warmth. Look, putting on my heater. I'm literally sitting on top of a heater most of the day. Today is the first day of no rain. First day. Thank God. Can't even get outside to finish my backyard. That's how sad it is. Feeling a little overwhelmed in my space. I'll show you. I like this area, but where I do all of my stuff, oh my God, please don't judge me. Right there, I'll show you. I love this table, the size of it, but I've overwhelmed it. Let's see. I'll zoom these out. Right here is where I shoot my videos. So I like to have everything around me that I need. My paper's right behind me. I run 2 computer screens over here. Can you see that? 2 computer screens. And then this, I'll show you. If I turn on my camera, I can watch what I'm filming right there. So I can make sure that I'm in focus. And then I have my lights going. But I don't know. I guess since my mojo left, it disappeared. I'm feeling hugely overwhelmed. Hugely. So it's June 7th. I have not shot my two card tutorials this week. I have not shot any videos except for my Happy Mail, which, girls, Lord knows I needed that Happy Mail. Thank you so much. So much. I have so many concepts in my brain. I just don't have the to do them. But I'm going to work on the Cricut today. I'm going to do those t-shirts. I have to run to Walmart to buy the shirts. John's going to a car show tonight. Vinny and Shannon are going to Jersey. So TJ says he's coming over and he needs my help with something. So I thought I'd get like some part of the day to myself, but that doesn't happen. You would think that I'd have most of my day to myself, but I don't. I really don't. So if you have a craft idea, throw it at me. Not that I'm stalling. I do have a list. I don't know. I gotta get going. Sure, how'd you find your mojo? I need it. I need it. But thank you all for listening. I'm sorry I haven't shot any videos. I don't know. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Next thing you know, I'll be back. I even have hauls. I have haul videos that I need to edit and get up. I haven't even done that. That mojo's gone. Flew. Where'd it go? But anyways, alright, thanks for watching. Sorry I haven't been around. Leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. I promise I will get my mojo back. Bye, guys.